The supply curve of a competitive firm and the industry can be derived this way. Start with the shutdown point of a firm. This is the average variable cost in the short run. So we write SAVC. This is the short run marginal cost. We all know that the firm cannot supply the output below this point. Mark this point as E, where the marginal cost is cutting the average variable cost. The rate of output E, rate of output Q dash can be supplied only above the price P bar, because the point E, which corresponds to price P bar, is nothing but the shutdown point. At this point, the firm can only cover its variable cost. Below this point, it incurs loss. So, no firm will operate below this point. The entire fixed cost is not covered. Hence, the supply of the firm will start at a price at least from P bar and above it. If I increase the price to another level, say P1, then as per the condition of equilibrium, point E dash is the equilibrium point where output Q double dash will be supplied. If the price further increases to P2, then the equilibrium point is E double dash, which is equal to the marginal cost the firm supplies Q triple dash, and so on. This means that the supply curve of the firm starts from point E, which is the minimum point on the short-run average variable cost, and after that the upward portion of the marginal cost curve is the supply curve. So, the supply curve of the firm, this is the firm's diagram, is nothing but the marginal cost curve above the minimum point of the average variable cost. In order to know the industry supply, draw another diagram on this side. You know that the industry supply can be derived by horizontal summation of the firm supply. So the minimum price P bar can be labeled here on the industry diagram. Call it industry diagram. So if the particular firm is selling Q dash at P bar, the whole industry, let us say, sells say Q1 rate of output at P bar, then horizontal summation means summing up the quantities of all firms in the industry together. So this is the starting point of the industry supply curve, and as and when the price increases, the industry supply will go up. So you can mark this way. These are horizontal summations. Join all these points to get the industry supply, which is more elastic as it is the horizontal summation of the firm supply. So point A, B, C. The locus of ABC is the industry supply. The locus E, E dash, E double dash, which is nothing but the upward portion of the marginal cost curve above the minimum point of short-run average variable cost, is the firm's supply curve.